From the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov.
Any microphone you buy can teach you something. Does it work on your source? Are you getting the tonality you think you should? You can't learn how a mic sounds by looking at stats and graphs, any more than you can learn how a slice of bread tastes by reading the ingredients. You have to have a mic on hand to learn its soul. And let's be honest, that's what we're all really looking for, the soul of a mic, that sound we connect with on an emotional level. The moment you get serious about recording, that connection becomes your tone quest. Finding a mic that makes you sound amazing, one that showcases your best traits and does its best to minimize your worst. Searching for a new mic can be hit or miss. Some are one-trick ponies. Some are jacks of all trades and masters of none. Some you can tell right away won't work on your voice, and some take extended experimentation. What I truly admire about the UA Sphere is that when you have this one mic that can be pretty much every type of mic you can imagine, it lets you learn how your voice interacts with these different tonalities and gives you the opportunity to drill down and find the sonic characteristics that flatter you most. Not only do you get an incredible mic locker full of every classic mic type, but a real interactive lesson in the history of mics. We all have our favorite sounds that we've heard before and try to chase. Imagine not only being able to chase them in one place with a single mic purchase, but giving yourself the luxury to discover at your own pace, in your own space, and do it your way. So not only can the mic teach you something, it can teach you something about yourself as you discover what sound best distills that essence of who you are, or who you want to be. But when you realize the Sphere can blend your two favorite mics together and create super mics that don't exist in the physical world, the Sphere becomes the kind of creative super tool, the bridge that can take you where you want your sound to go. Imagine a Swiss Army knife, but with a real chainsaw and a full-sized hammer. This is no toy, this is no gimmick, and in the immortal words of Matt Hooper, this is no boating accident. This shark is real, and you won't need a bigger boat. But if you bring your ears and your imagination, this Sphere mic will get you where you're trying to go. Now, you've been listening to the different large condenser models of the Sphere. What do you think, Nation? Leave a comment. Until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov, fading to black.